Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm with my boyfriend Darian and we are going to be decorating for fall. I went out and I recently bought a couple of decorations for my room. You guys may or may not have seen my video last year. It was a part of my Vlogmas series where me and him decorated my room for Christmas. And I never owned like fall decor for my room. I just always decorated for Christmas. So this year is a first. I went to Hobby Lobby, Target, the dollar store, Five Below, Burlington, Marshalls, like a couple of stores, and just accumulated some really cute things to set up in my room for not just Halloween, but fall in general.
Fall is definitely my favorite.
Oh my god, me too. There's literally something different about like the vibes that fall brings. The candles that you get to light, cozy fires, hot cocoa, like the leaves starting to fall. Everything about it I'm so excited for. Literally, how like pretty is this? It's literally like a plush glittery pumpkin. It's not a pillow because this is like hard, but it's really, really nice. It's covered in sequins and I really, really love it. Also, for those of you who know me, I hate colors. I literally live in neutrals, like if you can tell. But October is like the one time that I feel like you can make an exception for colors that like is a part of like bringing the vibe in. So I did get more than just neutrals, you guys. I got some leaves and like garland. These are 5-foot garland. I got 3 of them so I can line. I'm thinking of putting them right there. I might do something else with them, like along my mirror or something. And then I also got like a door hanger. All those are from the dollar store. And then I went to Burlington and that's where I got most of my decor. And that's actually the first place I went to and where I, you know, got the inspiration for all of this. I got this really cute Boo mug and really plain black and white. And when I initially bought this, I thought of like putting candy in it because, you know, like Halloween candy. From Burlington, I also got this really cute like stack of ghosts. It's holding like a Boo sign at the top and it also lights up. This mug was $4. This Boo statue was $13. I kind of took a gamble on this one, but I thought that this could look really cute and like add a really, really nice touch. I also got a like block sign for $4 and it says, "Keep the tricks, I'm here for the treats." And you could, it's like double-sided. I think I'm gonna put it on this side though. I also got another $4 like block decor. This is meant to be hung up, but I think I might like set this somewhere. I don't really know where this is going. I don't know where any of this is going. Like I said, all of these are new. It's not like I brought these out from last year. So we're just gonna have to like kind of experiment and see which looks best. But it says, read that. Have a fabulous Halloween. Isn't that so cute? Like fabulous, but fab-boo, like boo. The last thing I got from Burlington was this really pretty glass pumpkin. And this was $10. I don't know where I'm going to put this because I was like shopping and I was like, oh my god, I don't have anything that has a pumpkin on it. So I found this and it was really pretty. So I got it, but then when I went to Marshalls and found this, like I don't know where I'm going to put 2 pumpkins. I also just got this plain white candle from Marshalls and it was $8. I needed a candle for my room in general. This isn't really like for the whole Halloween. Alright, so let's just get to decorating. First, I'm going to empty all the candies into this Boo mug just because that's one thing like I know for certain. So, got 3 Musketeers. I got some miniatures which has Good Bars mixed in there, Hershey's. I'm only going to put the Mr. Good Bars and the Hershey's in there. I don't really know what Crackle is or the Hershey's Special Dark. And
also we got Reese's.
Ooh, our favorite. Here is a cute mug full of candies, so we can now start decorating. Also, I got a fall wreath from Hobby Lobby. It was like $2. So this is what we're looking at right now, and we're gonna first start by decorating this. So luckily everything is clean and organized. My room is already like straightened up. I still have my Christmas candle out because like I said, I didn't have any candle. Like that was the last candle I was running off of. So yeah, taking everything off, putting it on my bed, and then I'm gonna wipe this down. The thing is with over here, like I don't know if I ever mentioned this, but I don't have any outlets on this wall at all. I actually only have 2 outlets in my room, and it's the one under my makeup vanity and the one behind my bed. So I can't really ever put anything over here that needs power, like a lamp or anything, so I think this is like the only thing we're going to be able to have over here that lights up besides a candle, because we can't plug anything in. So this boo tower is most likely going to go over here. It'll give some light over here. I'm not the best at decorating, you guys. Like, I never have been. My sister is more into that stuff. I don't know where I'm going to put this. Like, alright, that'll come last, because this is like a finalized thing. I think this white candle does look nice though with this stuff, because the ghosts. I'm gonna have my candle by my plaque like this. If you could get that Marshall sticker off. I don't know why they put their stickers on their stuff like that. This can probably stay up. I don't know where that big glittery pumpkin's going.
Who's gonna play with that night?
Yeah, I know. I have to put that somewhere high so she doesn't mess with it and wake me up every night. This is like very like skinny garland. Like, it's not like full by any means. So if I could like just like pin this in place or something.
It smells like
That looks so cute. Oh my god.
Thanksgiving. Like, I want to eat.
What? I think that's cute. Like, it's simple. I like it. It's nice. For the decorations that we have, like I said, it's nothing crazy. I didn't want to go like all out. It was just kind of something to spice up, to give a little bit of a fall feeling. I do have more garland right there, so I think I'm gonna put it around my bed frame like I originally thought. And I also want to change my comforter, because right now I have my summer comforter on. It's like really light, but since it's going to be getting colder for winter, I'm going to change it to the gray comforter with the plaid. Yeah, but like, how are we going to secure this though?
You can put nails. Like right.
I don't want to put nails on my bedboard. See, that looks better. Double up. I don't want it to look like too much, but then again with my new... You know what, we'll add this last. We'll try and find a place for this last, because I might like it with my new comforter, but for right now, it doesn't look the best. I'm gonna next work on my bed, because everything else is kind of like tailored around this area. I am not gonna change my sheets, because I just washed them a couple days ago, and I only have one set of sheets. It's like my plain gray ones. Can go with any comforters. Fresh and clean. This is a reversible comforter. Which side do you think will look better? Plaid is like nice.
This side.
Like this side facing up?
Yeah.
Alright, so here's the final bed. I love the flannel pattern. So now I'm going to try that garland again up there by my bedboard and see if I like it. If not, we'll just have to find somewhere else to put it. But if we end up finding nowhere, I'm not just going to try and use it to use it, you know? I could try putting it up by my windows. How convenient, we already have hooks on my thing. We have that done. I'll fix it up. I'll show you guys a close-up when everything's like finalized, but I need to get new blinds. Like, I've been looking at new blinds. These are gonna go soon. I'm gonna hang this on my closet door. I think that's cute. We still need to decorate up on top of my Alex 9 drawers. Right now I just have my mini fridge and my Michael Kors purse on display, but we're gonna change that around now. This is definitely like a seasonal thing. This isn't something you would see during Halloween, so I'm gonna change that out for the Boo candy mug. This mini fridge, I think, is just gonna stay here. Like, I can't really go anywhere else with it because, like I said, the whole outlet situation, so that needs to be on 24/7 because the product's in it. These two are definitely going together. I don't know if they're gonna go over here or not, but definitely staying together. Also, everything at Hobby Lobby was 40% off. I don't know if it's just because the season's starting, but I thought they put like their seasonal items on sale after the holiday, but Not really much I could do over here or over here. Like I said, I didn't really buy like a ton of things. It was just kind of something to add a little bit of a vibe to my room. So yeah, if you guys have any better suggestions where to put this glittery pumpkin, please let me know down below. For right now, I'm literally just putting it in my bed. I think that looks fine, but I'll probably end up moving it. I'm now just gonna do, now me and Darren are going to go get some food and we'll probably come back and watch a movie. It's around 3 o'clock, so it's not gonna get dark like anytime soon, but within a couple hours. So I will then show you guys when it's like completely dark outside. You guys, I literally cannot explain that candle set any way else but like the first time we hung out. Like it was on Halloween and we stayed down in my second living room and we were playing Call of Duty, and like, you know, like how that scent in the air, like I don't know if we had that candle or what, but it's literally the exact scent. It sparked both of our memories. I really wish it was dark out right now, but another reason why I'm getting new blinds is because I'm gonna get like room darkening ones so it can be dark right now even when it's light out. We're gonna actually watch some story times. Snickers, you cannot have chips, honey. They're too hard for you to chew. It is now 7 o'clock. We've just been relaxing and a literal hurricane is like, yeah, it is now dark enough to show you guys my room.